Hello everyone, welcome to SOYAL e-learning videos. Today our topic is about how to display different card formats on SOYAL LCD screen controllers. We mainly provide 4 kinds of LCD screen controllers. Our classic LCD controller 727H version 5, vandal-proof metal controller 327H version 5, new LCD controller 837E, and Fingerprint controller 837EF. For those 4 controllers, all of them support displaying different card formats on LCD screens. By changing parameter settings, we can see the setup steps on this page. Select parameters. Then select pin and UID format. Select user pin length and select card UID length. And then we look at the menu to change different card format to display. On the Show UID screen, you can see that there are a total of 5 kinds of different card format options, including Weekend 34, ABA 10, Hex, Weekend 26, and ABA 8. We're going to use a piece of SOYAL My Fair card to demonstrate the function. The demonstrated card is a Weekend 34, which has the number of 43525 to 42500 printed on it. The default card format displaying on the controller LCD screen is Weekend 34 by selecting option number 1. We can also change the default number to 2, 3, 4, 5 so that different card formats will be displayed on controller LCD screen. Next, let us see an operation video. The default card format we can see displaying on the screen is Weekend 34. Enter programming mode by pressing the master code. Select parameters 1. Now, select pin and UID format. Keep the default pin length at 4, and keep the default UID length at 4. Now, press pound. And change the default number 1 format from Weekend 34 to number 2 ABA 10. Press the star sign to exit the programming mode. Show the demonstration card again. Now the screen displays card number with ABA 10 format. We can follow the same operation to display other different card formats. Change to number 3 to display hex format. Change to number 4 to display Weekend 26 format. Change to number 5 to display ABA 8 format. In conclusion, we have a total of 5 different card formats to display on SOYAL LCD screen controllers. Thank you for watching our video. This is my introduction for today. For more training videos, welcome to subscribe to SOYAL YouTube channel to get our regular update. Thank you and see you soon!